Nature's Nutrition Green Tea Extract Natural Energy Support. 60 capsules. Okay, let's go ahead and do a 360 view so you can see the supplement facts. And go all the way around. You see the suggested use right there. Go ahead and open this up. And you're gonna see what one of the capsules look like. So you can see the capsule, what it looks like right there. It's like about a normal sized capsule. Been taking this for about 5 days. Highly recommend the product. It's really nice. This is going to be Nature's Nutrition Green Tea Extract.